So this video is going to show you how I fixed the problem where my Blue Yeti microphone was out of sync with my video signal that I was feeding into my computer. So this is the problem that I had, is one that I've actually recently moved my business over to, and now we're using it. So you can see it's slightly out of sync, and now it looks like this. It matters less how hard you row than it does what boat you're in. The way that I did it is using what was discussed in this video here, so I'm going to link that one below, but it wasn't quite to the point that this video is going to be in based on the problem that I specifically had. So the problem that I had, as you just saw, my setup quickly is a Blue Yeti microphone going into my computer. I have my Canon EOS R DSLR camera that's feeding in the video signal using a CamLink. So that's going in there, and I'm doing my recordings using QuickTime, which is this here. So the problem is it's out of sync and I want to get it in sync. So how did I do it? So if you've just landed on this video, my name's Grant. I teach people how to do things using WordPress, like run a WooCommerce website. I am just starting blogging, so I'm sharing what I'm learning there and I'm documenting my journey here. And everything that I do is documented here on my blog and then also on my YouTube channel. So to fix my audio sync issue, I needed two programs. So the two softwares we're going to use are Loopback and then Audio Hijack. So if we go to Loopback, you can see that what I've done here is I've registered a new audio device called Blue Yeti with delay. So the way that you do that is you just go over here. I'll just delete this one quickly, and then we'll go new audio device, and let's call this one, we'll just call it microphone with delay. Now what that does is when you create a new audio device inside Loopback, it actually is accessible and registered inside your Mac software. So if we have a look, we can go down and we can, I think it takes a little bit of time to show, or if you're not seeing it, turn it off and on. So microphone with delay, and there it is there. Now everything that shows over here is going to show in your recording software. So now that we've registered that, if I go over to QuickTime and I have a look, I can see a microphone with delay. So that's registered. So I could record a QuickTime recording using that audio device. And same if you're using ScreenFlow. So here, if we go record for the audio, we can see microphone with delay. So that's the only reason we're using Loopback here, is to register a new audio device. Now what we need to do is get our audio signal from our Blue Yeti microphone. Then we need to play around and delay that signal a little bit. And then we need to feed it into this audio device that we just registered, which we'll be using in our recording software. Very easy. So if we go over to here to the second program, which is Audio Hijack, this is where we set it up. So we can see our input device is going to be our Blue Yeti microphone. Then we're going to delay it, and then we're going to output it to our new device that we registered through Loopback. And once that's done, then all we need to do is go into our recording program like I just showed you. You would select that new device, so it'd be a microphone with delay, and now the audio signal from here is being delayed output to the device that our recording software is using. It is that simple. Now you might need to play around with this here. 140 worked for me. All you do is press record, try it out. If it's not in sync, delay it a little bit or increase it, decrease it until you get it right. So it's that simple. If you appreciate that I didn't drag this video out for 10 minutes and you like this short form content, please give this video a like. And if you want to learn more about WordPress, blogging, WooCommerce, my usual sort of content, please go and check out the other videos that are on my channel. And if you like that stuff, please subscribe so you can learn along with me as I document my growth to making money online. So I'll end this video now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.